guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for hitting that play button. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are blessed. Today we're back at Corvette World because I have a surprise for you for the C8. Look, check it out. We do have a mod coming for the C8, and these guys at Corvette World are gonna hook me up. What's that mod you say? ACS Composites. Check it out, guys. Oh yeah, and just take a guess. Take a guess what that is. All right, guys, I wanted to do a quick walk around of the C8 before we put the ACS composite side skirts on, rock guards, and the front splitter. So right here, I'm gonna have a 1BM front splitter, and then I'm gonna have rock guards right here, and they're the large rock guards from ACS Composite. And then right here, I'm gonna have the Z06 side skirt. So it should look fantastic. And you guys know how I love the black carbon flash accent. So all of the front splitter, the side skirt, and also the rock guards, it's gonna all be carbon flash metallic. It is going to look epic, guys, epic. So as soon as they get done installing all of that, we're gonna do another walk around, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks. And I wanted to bring it back here to Corvette World because these guys are the pros, especially when it comes to installing things on the car. They know a lot about these cars. They do a lot of work on these cars, so I trust these guys, especially if they're doing some type of accessory mod for the car. As well as when they actually lift the car up in the air, they actually know the right place to put their lift so my car doesn't freaking fall off the rack, so I don't have to worry about that either. And stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to show you guys how everything looks after the install. All right, guys, we are back. Before I do this reveal, that's all I'm gonna say. Woo. Okay. All right, I'm gonna stop. All right, here we go, guys. Check it out. Corvette World hooked me up. All right, guys, here we go. Enough of the suspense. Check it out. Wow. Check it out, guys. Look at this side skirt. Z06 carbon flash side skirt. And let's look at the front splitter. Check it out, dude. ACS Composite. I mean, it looks gorgeous. The carbon flash, it matches Chevrolet's carbon flash to a T. Wow, it looks great. And then, let's not forget, we got the rock guards. ACS rock guards, the XLs, guys. Let's check out the back one. Wow. It looks gorgeous. Gorgeous, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. How do you think it looks? What do you think about the fit and finish? Let me know if you guys would go with the ACS Composite Aero kit for the C8 Corvette. I cannot believe it. It just looks unbelievable. Man, this is blowing my mind the way this car looks right now. It looks totally different. Wow. 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 Look at this, dude. Let me give you guys a quick close-up. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Front rock guard. Check out that side skirt. Wow. Check out this rear rock guard. Woo! Guys, it looks fantastic. Thank you, ACS Composite. Thank you, Corvette World, for hooking it up. You guys did a fantastic job. All right, guys, again, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I think Corvette World did a fantastic job on the car. I also want to thank ACS Composites. I think they hooked it up as well. You guys let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. On that note, guys, if you like this content, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Stay safe out there. Peace.